Are you struggling to find efficient and innovative solutions for your steel plant design and construction projects? Our comprehensive steel plant design and construction services, tailored specifically to streamline your projects from the ground up. We understand that creating a steel facility involves numerous complexities, from securing the right permits to ensuring safety and compliance. Our team of experts leverages cutting-edge technology and years of industry experience to provide solutions that meet your unique needs. We prioritize efficiency and sustainability, optimizing design and construction processes to not only save you time but also reduce overall costs. With our collaborative approach, we work hand in hand with you throughout the entire project lifecycle, ensuring that every detail aligns with your vision. Our commitment to quality means that your plant will be built to the highest standards, ensuring durability and exceptional performance for years to come. Ready to transform your steel plant vision into reality? Contact us today to get started. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.